This tutorial provides two scripts that enable the creation of spring and bush connectors by converting RBE elements. Navigate to the UI customization menu and select the repository folder to load the scripts. Create an RBE element between two nodes you want to connect with a spring. Use the Transform tool to copy the first RBE around your model. You can merge RBE elements together to have the resultant spring connectors grouped. You can launch the script now. The equivalence option will merge the nodes of the copied RBEs to the nearest body. Enter the stiffness values for the springs and specify the coordinate system in which they should be defined. The tool connects RBEs to the nearest bodies and converts them into spring elements with specified stiffnesses. The parametric stiffness option sets stiffness using SimLab parameters, enabling you to edit all springs simultaneously later. The script can also create bush elements for solvers that support them. In this case, the element coordinate system is also supported. After the conversion, the RBEs can be suppressed or deleted from the database. To efficiently convert thousands of RBEs, you can utilize the additional script called Quick RBE Springs. Connect the RBEs to adjacent bodies manually using the Equivalence Nodes option. Group the RBEs using the Merge option to speed up spring creation. The script will finally create one spring entity for each RBE merged body.